Thutha wa kwamũkĩra mĩrũgamo ngũrani kuma kũrĩ makamicina a kamĩtĩ ya ithurano na mihaka bũrũri-inĩ ũndũ ũmwe na aruti a wĩra a kamĩtĩ ĩno harĩ gũthũrima mathabu ma mwaka wa kĩgĩna wa 2016 na 17, kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ĩgiĩ kĩgĩna kĩa mũingĩ PAC nĩ yamũkĩrire mũrũgamo ũrĩa warĩ mũrugamiriri munene wa IEBC Ezra Chiloba thutha wake gũkorwo agwetetwo na njĩra nene harĩ ũthuthuria ũyũ.
But I can tell you that
Chiloba ahũthĩra mweke ũyũ kwanĩka ndũgamano na njũkanĩrĩro iria ciakoragwo igĩthiĩ na mbere gatagatĩ ka makamicina ngũrani na aruti a wĩra a IEBC. Gĩtũmi kĩnene arĩ aingĩ a makamicina gũtumberia mabataro mao kĩũmbe makĩria harĩ ũheani wa kandarathi ngũrani.
And you also implying that there are attempts by elements within the commission or the commissioners to influence the decision as to who should get the contracts.
Mr. Chair, that is also true, given the evidence that I've provided, when they're saying go for listing, go for this, negotiate with this, from what I call strategic misrepresentation and people trying to throw me under the bus.
From where you sit and where you were, do you think the commissioners were doing so to safeguard public funds, or were they doing so because of nakula nini?
My age, Mr. Chair, when you're in the office and people keep on saying the young man, and yet I'm the CEO of the organization, and they refer to you as the young man, that is very demeaning, Mr. Chair. So I thought there was also some perspective about the leadership capabilities and the competition around that.
So you realize what you signed is not what you had agreed, because these guys were like sacrificing you in a way. Is that what you are telling this committee?
You know what he's saying is a group of people, after your meeting, went and sat somewhere, did their own things to put you under the bus and fix you, and did minutes to that in that nature, and then later you came and signed for them that this is my death sentence and I'm signing for you and I'm ready to die.
Okay, fine.
Surely.
Thank you.
Ciũria ciĩgiĩ kũragwo ciringi bilioni 9 mwaka-inĩ wa gĩthurano kũringana na riboti ya mũtari wa mathabu ma thirikari no cieyumĩririe gũkũ Chiloba akĩitianĩirie kaimana kuona ciarongoreirio kũmũhũmũrithia kumagia wabici-inĩ yake.
The loss of 9 billion at IEBC will mean that there was absolutely no money for any of the critical procurements at the Commission in the period under review. Nothing could be further from the truth. In as much as I did not participate in the audit process, I wish to correct the notion that has been created that 9 billion was lost.
Gatũrũ kohoro Chiloba ekĩrĩra nganja wuigiririki wa IEBC torĩa yũmbĩtwo ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ. Haha akiuga kumana na ũrĩa matabanirie gĩthurano kĩa mwaka mũhĩtũku na gĩthagathago kĩrĩa kĩarũmĩrĩire nĩ kionereria kiiganu matikinyaniirie ikiro cia utongoria.
Would you therefore want to say that you are then questioning the integrity of the individual commissioners of the IEBC?
Without a fear of contradiction, Mr. Chair, I do question that.
You do question?
I worked with them and I supported them and I trusted that they were new and so we're helping each other and they're going to learn. But given what has emerged, and I think, Mr. Chair, there are a lot of questions to be asked, to ask about their integrity and their capabilities.
And this is about all of them or some of them?
I see a lot of intellectual dishonesty among all of them, Mr. Chair.
Among all of them?
Among all of them, but more particularly the chairman himself.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.